Welcome to Epic Motorcycle Channel. This is my project. This is a 99 GSXR 600. Bought it 2019 in Houston when I was still in Texas. Had wiring problems. Got it for real cheap. It's a cool little bike. I love these older Gixxers. Got it all put back together, rewired, November of 2019. Maiden voyage, made it about 2 blocks, hydro locked. I had to push it back. It sucked. Anyhow, it's all apart now. I'm cleaning up everything. Did steering head bearings. Gonna do shock in the future. Gonna do the front forks. But the engine, we're gonna do a really interesting kind of a Franken build. It's something I read about years ago. Really interested me. Always wanted to do it. Never had the time or the money. But so this is the 600 bottom end. These are the pistons, just little tiny guys. I got one pulled off. I'm going to show you all the other parts we're going to put on, and we're going to see how this works. We're going to go through this engine, make sure this timing chain is not stretched, not worn out. Flush it out, clean it all up, make sure everything's good to go, and then build it. So here's all the parts that we have so far, minus the cylinder head. Haven't decided what I'm going to do for that yet. This is the 600 piston. As you can tell, it's a lot smaller. Pulled it off one of the wrist pins over here, off the connecting rod. If you come closer, if you take a look, everything is pretty much lined up, ready to go. This is the 750 cylinders from a 96 to 99 GSXR 750, 72 millimeter bore. These pistons, wrist pins, rings, and whatnot, these come from 01 to 03 GSXR 750, which has the same 72 millimeter bore, but it shares the wrist pin diameter of the 97 to 2000 GSXR 600. Now the compression height, as far as I know, is identical on all these bikes, all these engines up to 2005. So this build has already been done somewhat. I've read a couple different stories about it. You end up with about a 730cc motor with the 600 stroke and the 750 bores. In the future, I have a Weisico overbore kit that we're going to get cylinders bored out, plated bigger. I believe it's 74 millimeter. I have to check and make sure, but it's going to be cool.